In this video, we will discuss December 2023 Political Science question paper. Question number 1 or 51. Who among the following thinker is not associated with the feminist theory? Option A is correct, Susan Sontag. Question number 52. The book Capitalism, Socialism and Democracy is authored by. Option A is correct, Joseph Schumpeter. Question number 53. Match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct. Antonio Gramsci write about the prison notebooks. Robert Putnam write about the Bowling Alone, the collapse and revival of American community. Michael Oakeshott write about on human conduct, and Max Weber write about the Protestant ethics and the spirit of capitalism. Question number 54. Arrange the following committees with regard to corruption and administrative reforms in India chronologically. Option C is correct here. That is Gorwala Committee, Santhanam Committee, First Administrative Reform Commission and the Vora Committee. Now question number 55. Find out the books written by Mahatma Gandhi given below. Option D is correct here. That is B and E only, Constructive Program and Hind Swaraj. Question number 56. Match list 1 with list 2. Option D is correct here. Extremely Federal said by Paul Appleby. Quasi-Federal said by K.C. Ware. Bargaining Federalism said by Morris Jones, and Cooperative Federalism said by Grenville Austin. Now question number 57. Which one of the following thinker is associated with Sinitrism? Option B is correct here, Kabir. Now question number 58. Arrange these life events of Aurobindo in the chronological order. Option D is correct here. First is he moved to England, then cleared the ICS exam, then become the vice principal of the Baroda College, then attended the Banaras session of the Congress, and the last is arrested for the Alipur bomb case. Question number 59. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 has stipulated the following major provisions regarding the Panchayat. Option C is correct here. A, B and D. A. Gram Sabha may exercise such power and perform such functions at the village level as the legislature of a state may by law provide. A finance commission to be constituted every 5 years by the governor of the state to review the financial position of the panchayat and to make the recommendation to the governor, and an election to be constituted at the panchayat shall be completed before the expiration of a period of 6 months from the date of its dissolution. Now question number 60. Who of the following describe Kabir as the Mukti Doot? Option A is correct, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 61. Linguistic Province Commission that was formed to advise the Constituent Assembly was popularly known as. Option A is correct here, Dar Commission. Now question number 62. Find out the correct definition of the different scholars on party system and choose the correct option. Option D is correct here, A and C, that is modern democracy is the party democracy by Katz, and parties are the core institution of the democratic politics said by S.M. Lipset. Question number 63. Which year did Prime Minister Manmohan Singh visited China? Option C is correct here, 2008. Question number 64. Which of the following statement is not associated with Mahatma Gandhi? Option B is correct here, A, D and E, that is non-violence is the law of our species as violence is the law of the brute. To be in the same world of madmen is itself a form of madness, and my nationalism is intense internationalism. Question number 65. Which one of the following statements are correct in the arena of the administrative theories? Option C is correct here, A and B, that is ideal type of bureaucracy was formulated by Max Weber, and F.W. Taylor is considered as the father of scientific management theory. Now question number 66. Find out the agreements or accord signed between Indian government and its provincial regional organization given below in ascending order. Option A is correct here. First is the Anandpur Sahib resolution, then Shillong agreement, then Rajiv Gandhi Longewal Accord, then Assam Accord, and the last is Mizo Peace Accord. Now question number 67. Who found 8 distinct meaning for the term balance of power? Option B is correct here, Ernest B. Hess. Now question number 68. The present political regime in the Central Asia Republic of Tajikistan fall under which one of the following categories? Option D is correct here, civilian dictatorship. Now question number 69. Which one of the following concepts are not related to John Rawls? Option C is correct here, class in itself. Question number 70. Name the country that does not fall within the Asian tiger economies. Option D is correct here, Burma. Question number 71. Which of the following arguments can be associated with right-wing political forces? Option B is correct here. A, D, and E. That is, to what extent are people poor because of their own choices as opposed to unequal opportunities? Has the welfare state created a class of welfare dependents caught in a poverty trap? And are the source of social ill like poverty, homelessness, high school dropout rates, and so on so complex that state attempts to solve them will generally fail and often worsen the problem. Now question number 72. Arrange the following Director Generals of the World Trade Organization who held the office in descending order. Option A is correct here. First is the Maike Murray, then is the Supachai Pentipakdi, then is the Pascal Lams, and the last is Robert Azevedo. Now question number 73. Which one of the following is not the key element of direct democracy? Option C is correct here. Filibustering. Now question number 74. Which one of the subject is not the part of the concurrent list? Option C is correct here. Market and fairs. Question number 75. The true beginning of the modern state system remarked the end of the. Option C is correct here. 30 years of war. Now question number 76. Arrange the following in their chronological sequence in keeping with the Marxist conception or the materialistic conception of history. Option B is correct here. First is the steam machinery and the making of machine by machinery transform the older manufacture carried out under feudalism into the modern industry. Then the present structure of society is the creation of the current ruling class, the bourgeois. Then while the capitalist mode of production more and more transform the great majority of people into proletarians, it creates a power that is forced to accomplish a revolution against the capitalism. Then the proletariat seized political power and turned the means of production into state property. And the last is finally the proletariat abolishes all class distinction and class antagonism and also abolish the state as the state. Now question number 77. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct here. The success of Indian democracy is written by Atul Kohli. Caste in Indian politics is written by Rajni Kothari. Political process in India 1947 to 1991 is written by C.P. Bhamri. And the Oxford Companion to Politics in India is written by Nirja Jayal and Pratap B. Mehta. Now question number 78. Find out the different waves of democratic transition given below in ascending order. Option B is correct here. First wave of democratization, then first reverse wave, then second wave of democratization, then second reverse wave, and then the third wave of democratization. Now question number 79. Who among the following came out with an innovative idea of constructive conflict? Option A is correct here. MP Follett. Now question number 80. Assertion reason. Assertion, contracting out and public-private partnership are now part of the reality of public services and decision making in many countries. Reason, there is a divorce between the complex reality of decision making associated with the governance and the normative codes used to explain and justify the government. Option B is correct here, as both the statement are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 81. Which one of the following aspect of Gandhi's theory of Satyagraha can help in the process of dialogue in plural societies threatened by mutual distrust? Option B is correct here, that is A, B and D. A. Attention to the preconditions of dialogue help to establish the moral standing of the participants. B. Knowledge that our grasp our truth is partial inculcates self-restraint, and the commitment to non-violence dissipates feelings of alienation and otherness. Now question number 82. Which one of the following statement is or are not correct regarding the ICT based e-governance? Option B is correct. B and D. E-governance reduces the transparency of government and e-governance increases citizens' input into the government. Question number 83. Find out the correct one with regard to the failed state. Option D is correct here. A and B, that is Sierra Leone is a failed state and a failed state is unable to provide the function that define them as the states. Now question number 84. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option 1 is correct here, that is universal suffrage is the right to vote which is not restricted by the race, gender, belief or social status. Majoritarian electoral system is the electoral system in which the candidates or parties that receive the most votes win. Single member district plurality system is an electoral system in which the individual casts a single vote for a candidate in a single member district, and the alternative vote is a form of majoritarian electoral system that involves the preferential voting system. Now question number 84. is done. Question number 85. Arrange the organizations in chronologically order according to the year of their establishment. Option C is correct here. That is Sharda Sadan, Ramkishan Mission, then Abhinav Bharat Society, then Tolstoy Forum, and then the Bahishkrit Hitkarini Sabha. Now question number 86. Who among the following has started the self-respect movement as the part of the social reform? Option C is correct here. E.V. Ramaswamy Nayakar. Now question number 87. Which one of the following observations are correct about the deliberative democracy? Option A is correct here. A, B, and E, that deliberative democracy describes a normative ideal in which free and equal citizens publicly exchange reason with one another. They do with the view to reaching a consensus about some issues or public policy or about the principle underlying the system as a whole, and underlying the deliberative ideals in the powerful moral institution about the nature of truly democratic association. Now question number 88. According to Manu, which one of the following is not the foundation of the diplomacy and the statescraft? Option D is correct here. The contract. Now question number 89. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option A is correct here. Scientific management theory is the development of a true science of work which in effect will benefit both the worker and the manager alike. New public management is the government should be continuously engaged in improving quality of its programs and services and daily adjusting with the demands. Human relation theory is the organization is to be viewed as a social system and informal elements play an important role in the overall organizational output. And rational decision making theory is the decision making theory process involve three phases: intelligence activity, design activity, and the choice activity. Now question number 90. Who has stated that religion is the real creation of Manu's state polity? Option B is correct here. Satyamitra Dubey. Question number 91. Who wrote the book Management Tasks, Responsibilities and Practices? Option B is correct here. Peter Drucker. Question number 92. The paper entitled The Study of Public Administration, published in Political Science Quarterly in 1887, was written by. Option B is correct here. Woodrow Wilson. Question number 93. Given below are two statements: assertion, reason. Assertion: Ahimsa was complementary to Gandhi's model of conflict resolution that was certainly the most original and creative model of social change and political action. Reason: this was a theory of politics that gradually became the dominant ideology of a national political movement in which Gandhi reigned supreme. Option B, A is correct here, that both the statement are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Now question number 94. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct here, that Iraq invasion is in 1991. Darfur, Sudan invasion in 2004, Somalia in 1992, and Sierra Leone is in 2000. Now question number 95. In which year did the UN Climate Change Conference, commonly known as the Copenhagen Summit, held? Option A is correct here, 2009. Now question number 96. Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan pioneered which movement in India? Option C is correct here, Jan Sunwai. Question number 97. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. Option A is correct here, that A, B and C are correct. India is amongst the first countries to establish diplomatic relations with the EEC. The bilateral relationship was upgraded to strategic partnership in 2004, and the EU is also one of the largest sources of FDI for India. Question number 98. Under which article of the Indian Constitution the state legislature has the power to make provisions with respect to the election to such legislature? Option C is correct here, Article 328. Now question number 99. What is the main arguments of the philosophical anarchism? Option B is correct here, that no state in fact has the authority. Question number 100. Choose the correct answer from the following. Option D is correct here, A, C and D, that under Chapter 7 of the UN Charter, the Security Council can take actions to maintain or restore international peace and security. Sanctions can be withdrawn by the UN General Assembly, and the sanctions have been applied by the Security Council to support the peaceful transition to deter non-constitutional changes, etc. Now question number 101. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct here. SCO was established in 2001. BRICS was established in 2006. ASEAN was in 1967, and EEC was in 1957. Now question number 102. Arrange the following in a sequence that historically and conceptually presents the concept of civil society. Option C is correct here, that is, so civil society is one among many spheres of the larger society along with family, economy, polity, etc. It can be understood as a collective entity that springs from society and exists for specific and limited purpose. The first articulation of the concept took place in the 17th and 18th century in Europe. The concept was part of the political and economic liberalism that arose with John Locke and was celebrated by Scottish Enlightenment. The concept found a significant place in the writings of Hegel and Marx in the 19th century. Now question number 103. Match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct here, that administration in the developing countries, the theory of prismatic society is given by Frederick Rees. Administrative behavior given by Herbert Simon. The dynamics of public administration, guidelines to current transformation in theory and practice is given by Gerald E. Kiden, and the human problem of an industrial civilization is given by Elton Mayo. Question number 104. The theory that argues countries are more likely both to become democratic and to stay democratic as they develop economically is known as, option C is correct here, classical modernization theory. Now question number 105. Find out the correct one with regard to the constructivist argument on democracy. Option C is correct. Constructivist argument treats culture as something that is constructed or invented rather than inherited. Constructivist arguments claims that culture has a causal effect. Now question number 106. In his book Administration in Developing Countries, the Theory of Prismatic Society, Rigg mentioned the following points. Option A is correct here, A, B and D, that the structure of a modern society are typically functionally specific. A structure is defined as any pattern of behavior which has become a standard feature of a social system, and although the image of agraria resembles the model of a few society, the two constructions are by no means identical. Now question number 107. Find out the correct statement. Option B is correct here, A and C, that on 1 April 1950, India was the first non-socialist bloc country to establish diplomatic relations with China, and a phase of improvement in bilateral relations began in 1988. Now question number 108. Arrange chronologically India's association with the following international organization. Option B is correct here, that United Nations, then NAM, then G77, and the last is G20. Question number 109. Which event led to George W. Bush to transform his foreign policy into one of the global power projection and interventionism? Option B is correct here, 11 September. Now question number 110. Find out the correct one with regard to Atul Kohli's distinction between the pro-market and the pro-business state intervention in the 1980s. Option D is correct here, A and D, that pro-business strategy mainly supports established producers and pro-market strategy supports new entrants and the consumers. Now question number 111. Find out the correct one with regard to 108th Amendment Bill of 2008. Option C is correct here, that A and D, reservation of seat reserved for scheduled caste shall be for women shall cease to exist 15 years after the commencement of this bill, and reserved seats may be allocated by the rotation to different constituencies in the states and the union territories. Now question number 112. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct here. A plea for the reconstruction of Indian polity, written by Jayaprakash Narayan. India of My Dreams is written by Mahatma Gandhi. The Indian War of Independence of 1857, written by V.D. Savarkar. And Marx, Gandhi and Socialism, written by Ram Manohar Lohia. Question number 113. Which one of the following is not the function of the estimate committee? Choose the correct option from the code. Option C is correct here. To examine the report of the CAG with the view to find out that the money voted by the parliament has been fully utilized by the authority concerned. Now question number 114. Choose the correct statement from the following codes given below. Option C is correct here, that A and C, weapons of mass destruction inter alia includes atomic explosive weapons, and chemical weapon convention outlaws the weapon of mass destruction. Now question number 115. Choose the statement given below. Option B is correct here. A, B and C, that conflict in society and politics is inevitable. The usage of violence in conflict cannot be eliminated by protest against such violence, and non-violent actions can be categorized into three methods: protest and persuasion, non-cooperation, and non-violent intervention. Now question number 116. B.R. Ambedkar demanded a separate electorate for depressed classes in which one of the following events? Option B is correct here. Second round table conference. Question number 117. Which one of the following according to Bhikkhu Parekh, a question usually ignored by the Indian political thought? Option D is correct here. Political economy. Now question number 118. Which one of the following explains Bhikkhu Parekh's conception of the human nature? Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option C is correct here. A, B and D, that all references to human nature should be subject to the strict scrutiny and view with a healthy dose of skepticism. Human beings are culturally embedded in the sense that they are born into, raised in, and deeply shaped by their cultural communities. And although skin color, gender, height, and other physical features are universally shared, they are all differently conceptualized and acquire different meanings and significance in the different societies. Now question number 119. With which country India has signed the declaration to promote the building of a harmonious world of durable peace and common prosperity through developing the strategic and comparative partnership peace and prosperity? Choose the option from the code. Option B is correct here, China. Now question number 120. Aristotle criticized popular rule on the ground of that masses would resent the wealth of a few and too easily fall under the swing of the following. Option C is correct here, the demagogues. Now question number 121. Who said that statements, thinks and act in terms of interest defined as power? Option A is correct here, Morgenthau. Now question number 122. Which two countries' navy are jointly patrolling the Malacca Straits? Option B is correct here, India and USA. Now question number 123. Which of the following is not the principle of Robert Nozick's entitlement theory? Option C is correct here, a principle of final acquisition, our account of how people come to finally own the things which have been transferred in accordance with the Article 1. Now question number 124. Satya Shodhak Samaj was founded by. Option B is correct here, Jyotiba Phule. Question number 125. Which one of the following did not feature as a matter of debate between Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore? Option D is correct here, freedom from colonial rule. Now question number 126 is given below two statements. Statement 1. The transformation of India's economy has not been as dramatic as that post-communist countries in the Eastern Europe. Statement 2. India has produced growth rate as high as those of China in 2010. Option C is correct here. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 127. Assertion reason. Assertion. India has historically been deemed a safe haven for refugee. Reason. India has no refugee law and has not signed the 1951 Refugee Convention. Option B is correct here. Both the statement are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 128. Citizens Charter was first articulated and implemented in the United Kingdom as a national program in which year? Option B is correct here, 1991. Question number 129. Who introduced to the organization the concept of the 40-hour work, time and motion studies, and piece rate compensation system, as well as fair day work for a fair day pay? Option D is correct here, F.W. Taylor. Question number 130. What is true about the following statement related to Ram Manohar Lohia? Option B is correct here, A, C and D. He discussed 7 types of revolution. He is an author of the aspect of socialist policy. He said that the history of the growth of freedom is the history of the perfection of human relationship. Question number 131. What is correct about the qualification and the appointment of the governor? Option A is correct here, A only. He is a citizen of India. Question number 132. Arrange the following administrative thinker or theorist chronologically. Option C is correct here, Max Weber, F.W. Willoughby, then Elton Mayo, then David Easton. Now question number 133 is assertion reason. It is plausible to think that autonomy involves a kind of skills that individual must develop, exercise and maintain. This ongoing process of planning and managing is not automatic but requires efforts and resources that are secured by social and material condition provided by the state. Reason, however, the commitment as to individual autonomy cannot force the liberal state to provide the social and material condition by which citizen could come to be autonomous. It must depend on the individual to strive independently for achieving their autonomy. Option C is correct here. A is correct, but R is not correct. Now, question number 134. The process in which the dictatorial ruling elite introduces liberalizing reforms that ultimately lead to a democratic transition is known as, option B is correct here, top-down democratic transition. Question number 135. Which amendment overrode the Golaknath case decided in 1967? Option B is correct here, 24th Amendment. Now, question number 136. Who among the following thinkers are associated with the participatory democracy? Option C is correct here. A, C and D, Carol Patman, Benjamin Barber and C.B. McPherson. C.B. Habermas. C.B. McPherson. Now question number 137. Match list 1 with list 2. Option D is correct here. Liberalism is moral concern for one another as free and equal citizen. Communitarianism is no need for the member to share a common culture, history, worldview, language or value system. Liberal nationalism is shared nationality based on common history, language and culture. Multiculturalism, difference theory, shared the understanding and common meaning based on shared history, culture and worldview. Question number 138. Who among the following Vice President of India later became the President of the country? Option D is correct here, that is A, B, C, E, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, V.V. Giri, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma and R. Venkatraman. Now question number 139. Which of the following is the right characteristics of the composition of Public Account Committee? Option D is correct here. Public Account Committee is an annually elected body in accordance with the principle of the proportional representation followed by the single transfer vote system. Now question number 140. The concept of accountability has got the following characteristics. Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option D is correct here. A and B, that accountability exists in a relationship when for the performance of function an individual or a body is subject to another oversight, direction or request, that the individual or the body should provide justification for their action. And there are various types of accountability like legal accountability, social accountability and political accountability and so on. Now question number 141 to 150 is the comprehension. Question number 141. Which is not a source of civic virtue among the following? Option A is correct, army. Question number 142. Which of the aspect given below is not a direction favored by Thatcher or Reagan reform? Option C is correct here, strong trade unions. Question number 143. What is that the new right does not associate with self-supporting as a civic virtue? Option C is correct here, being a career-oriented selfish person. Question number 144. How does the welfare state promote possessivity in the poorer? Option B is correct here, creating a culture of dependency. Now question number 145. How does the market inculcate civic virtue according to the new right theorist? Option C is correct here, by encouraging to be self-supporting. Question number 146. Which one of the following is the reason for the formation of G20 Asian financial crisis? Now question number 147. Which one of the following is the objective of G20? Option A is correct, international cooperation. Question number 148. Why G20 is considered a representative forum? Chair is rotational annually and from a different region. Number 149. What is the significance of recently concluded G20 summit? Option D is correct, all of the above, that is consumer on a framework for sustainable balanced growth, women lead development process and emergence of the global south as one voice. Now last question, question number 150. Why has India taken active interest in the G20? Option B is correct here, to endure world economic stability.